morning, the chef on two wheels here again. I'm preparing breakfast for tomorrow. So this one is skinless pork longanisa. It's a typical breakfast for Filipino. Here I have a 1/2 kilo of minced pork. I get 2 tablespoons of garlic, half a tablespoon of salt, one half teaspoon of cracked black pepper, half a tablespoon of annatto powder or achuete we call it. You can buy this in like Asian grocers. This one is half a tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of sugar. I'm using raw. 1 tablespoon of corn flour or cornstarch. 2 tablespoons of water. So just mix them all up. Yes. We get the garlic coming in, salt and pepper, nut powder, paprika, soy sauce, our sugar, corn flour, and our water. So with clean hands, I'll just mix this up. So there you go. We'll cover and then leave it in the fridge to marinate for about 3 hours. So with wet hands, grab a tablespoon of mixture, mixture, and then I'll spray shape them with the logs. Right, to shape these, it's easier to get a wet tape and then cling film. So you get a damp table or a wet table and put your mixture and then just roll it, make it tight. Make it like a sausage. There you go. Then the other end. There you go. So ayan, portion na natin lahat. So now, so that will be breakfast for how many days? So this one you just leave it in the freezer. So this one you can cook while it's still frozen, or like this, defrosted already. So when cooking it from frozen, just sear it. Make sure you get a lid. Pour some water, but make sure your fire is off. And then turn it back on, or put it on low. That will spatter when it's too hot. Then I'll put it on high again, let it steam. Give it a good shake. Oh. Good. Skinless Longanisa. There you go. Kakain na! Ayan. Ito na longanisa na garlic rice. I'll be having garlic rice, egg, and longanisa. Long silog. Get the spicy vinegar dip. Wow. Even better with it. Vinegar.
Ang sarap tayo.
Garlicky, sweet.
Yeah.
Savory at the same time.
Ano kagad yung ano yung caramel.
Not a satisfied customer. Alright, there you go. It's another segment of our cooking show. Have a great day. Paalam!